Hello real fashionistas! Today I will be showing you how to make a dress without sewing using tacking, tape and tying method. This dress is super easy to make. These are the tools we're gonna use today. We're gonna need a dress form and a tacking tool to tack fabric on the back, scissors to cut out the fabric, clear tape to tape the trims, measuring tape to take measurements for the fabric. These are the fabric for the skirt part, for the top part, and tulle overlay. For embellishments, we're gonna use crystals, zigzag trim, pink color, and pink flower trim. This is a picture of the dress we're gonna be making. This is a real fashionista dress form. It's a plastic dress form and lightweight. When you will be using dress form, hold it in your hand while designing, or you can lay it flat and design over it, or combine both ways. It has a zigzag groove back, which is great. You can tack fabric on the back. Measure length of the fabric 8 inch and width of the fabric 12 inch for the skirt. For the top, the length of the fabric is 3 inch and width of the fabric is 6 inch. Once you cut this out, skirt part, you can see crease it a little bit. Fold the fabric and crease it on a 1/2 inch, just like that. With your fingers, it's a satin fabric, so it should fingers to the top. You turn it around and you fold it on a 1/2 inch or just a little bit, and you crease it. So, skirt part and the top part is ready. Hold the mannequin in your hands and start tucking slowly. Tuck one side, then turn the mannequin around while moving your fabric in the back, and tuck another side of the fabric in the back, just like this. Take a skirt part and wrap it around. Start wrapping from front to the back. Once you wrap the skirt, fold one side and tuck it in the back. See, just like this. Then take another half of the back. This is the other half. Fold it inside and tuck over the just like this. Ruffle clear tape and wrap it around the top part, like so. You can leave the back parts a little bit. Then peel off the clear tape, like so. This is a tulle trim. I made it from the fabric. I'm gonna be showing you in a moment how to make it. Take the tulle trim and attach it on the clear tape, like so. Then tuck the rest in the back. This is how I make a tulle tape. Cut small stripe from the tulle fabric. Cut it out on the width and stretch it out a little bit, just like this. Stretch. Take a tab and measure the trim over the top. Fold it in 3 times. Once you fold it, knot it in the middle, just like this. trim is ready. Next part is to attach tulle overlay on the skirt. I take a tulle overlay and belt it on the back, and I will be showing you in a minute exactly how to do it. These are the measurements for tulle overlay. Width is 14 inch and length is 9 inch. I'm using a tulle trim like a belt to tie it on the waist. I take the tulle fabric and gather it just like this. Gather in my hands. I'm trying to adjust the gathering. Now I'm gonna fold this fabric over the tulle belt. Just like that. Fold it, fold the fabric. Over the tulle strap. Take it and tie it on the back of the mannequin. You can adjust the gathers on the mannequin as you will like it. Fold it over and it's good to go. Next step is to decorate the dress with the crystals. For waist, I chose a pink zigzag trim. Just wrap it around and tuck it in the back. I just knot it once, and then whatever is left, I just tuck it inside of the mannequin in the groove back, just like this. Last part is attaching a flower trim on the dress. Pink flower is a part of the flower trim that's inside of the kit. You just need to cut it out and use a clear tape on it to attach it on the dress. Our dress is ready. You can use same methods and create your own designs. If you will sew this dress at the waist and on the back, your Barbie can wear it also. I hope this video was fun and helpful for you. If you have any questions, leave them in comment section below and I'll be happy to answer them. Can't wait to hear about your dresses. See you in the next video, Real Fashionista.